Welcome back to another episode of the Alligator Live truck build featuring Project Brimstone. We just added a new part to our build, and we hooked up with Titan fuel tanks to bring the new 48-gallon tank to this setup. With us going across country all the time, it's nice to have something that gets us a little further than having to stop every few hundred miles. I think the factory tank on this is like a 25 or a 26-gallon tank. So this 48-gallon tank is near doubling the fuel quantity of what we have. I think the estimated mile travel on the factory setup is just right around 700 miles. So with this new Titan tank, they're expecting to get close to 1,400 miles out of a tank of fuel. Install is pretty simple. There's no cutting, no welding, no weird things that you have to kind of run into. You just drop the factory tank out, take the factory sending unit out, and then stab the old sending unit back into the new Titan fuel tank. That's pretty much it. You stab it right back in there. It only hangs about just shy of 2 inches, like 1.9 inches lower than the factory tank. Same thing with Titan across the board on all their tanks. They use a high military grade polymer. The thinnest location on this is like a 1/4 inch, and then everywhere else is slightly thicker than that. It's strong as steel and more robust than that. They do drop tests with these, drop them from, 20-foot tall buildings or forklifts, and it seems like they walk out without any issues at all. So we're pretty excited to get this installed. Again, pretty much with everything else that we're doing with this build is going to be installed live at the Ultimate Callout Challenge event coming up here in May. And if you can't join us at the show, follow along with us as we continue this video series. We'll be posting it up on our Instagram, our Facebook, and our YouTube channel.